Wrinkles, fine lines and pigmentation tend to be the results of a few mistakes that probably we have made in our early years of life. Now, there are a lot of reasons which may cause early signs of aging. It may be because of exposure to ultraviolet rays, not applying sunscreen, not taking moisturization very seriously, or maybe smoking, drinking, unhealthy food habits, and a lot of other reasons that may cause early signs of aging. Now, in today's video, I wanted to completely focus on early signs of aging that you must look out for, and not only on your facial skin but on the entire body, and some home remedies that can be used to tackle them, and some other tips and tricks. So stay tuned. Usually our hands and legs are the most exposed parts of our body to the ultraviolet rays or to sun damage, so definitely do not neglect those parts. Keep your body moisturized with either an oil or a moisturizer. You can choose to apply banana pulp as well because it's an amazing at-home remedy. When your face starts to look a little dull, pigmented, or if there's uneven skin tone, or if you can see some freckles or a little bit of fine lines, that's the time that you must realize that these are the early signs of aging. And to tackle such issues, I suggest you to use the anti-aging starter pack by Bodywise, which consists of these two products. The first one is the Skin Rejuvenation Serum, which has vitamin C and witch hazel as its key ingredients. Now, this vitamin C serum stimulates the collagen production. It also lifts the skin's tone by evening it out and giving it that brighter and smoother effect. And it also kind of works on the fine lines or wrinkles that are happening on your facial skin. So once your face is all cleansed, take 4 to 5 drops of the serum and apply it all over your face and neck. Gently massage the product into the skin until it's like well absorbed. I feel that vitamin C could be your skin's best friend. So I've been using this from the past 2 weeks. There was a lot of pigmentation around my mouth area, which has relatively reduced because I've been religiously applying this day and night on an everyday basis, and it has really kind of helped me even out my uneven skin tone, be it on the mouth area or near the nose or even on the forehead. So this works well that way. Now, the pack also has a skin regenerate night cream. This has retinol in it, which is the most effective anti-aging ingredient. When combined with niacinamide and almond oil, it regulates sebum production and speeds up the skin's epidermal cell growth. After having used this night cream, I feel that my skin has become much more tighter and kind of plumpier. Like, it's not very saggy or anything, though it's too early for that, but still I feel that relatively it's become more like tighter and very plumped up. So the overall texture of the skin has improved, and the overall appearance has definitely become better from before. Now, the skin around your eye area, this skin is relatively the most thinnest part of your facial skin as compared to the other parts of your face, and as you age, the muscles around your eyes, they kind of stretch, which results in droopy eyes, or then it may form a lot of wrinkles or fine lines around this area. So to avoid that, you must always make sure to wear a pair of sunglasses whenever you're heading out in the bright sunlight. Now, this will reduce the squinting that you kind of do when you look into the sun directly with naked eyes, and also reduce the intake of salt, kind of make your diet a little more healthier, reduce on your alcohol, stop smoking, definitely. These are some things that are which are very basic. And wear eye gel patches to relax and protect your eyes. That will reduce the swelling on the eye area, and also the water retention will be reduced. With the kind of lifestyle we are all heading towards or leading, stress has kind of become friends and a definite permanent part of the game. So also stress is something that causes aging. Aging is also caused because of lack of sleep, and this is all like a vicious circle. It's all connected. So it's very important to have a sound 8-hour sleep on an everyday basis. It's very important to relax your mind, be a little more content, and try to make sure that your sleep is soulful. So make relaxation a part of your night routine. Drinking warm beverage will also help just before a good night's sleep. Do anything that makes your sleep better and declutter your mind. Most of us tend to have those worry lines, sagging, dropping skin, dullness at a very early age, like as early as at the age of 25. And that's all because of our lifestyle. So apart from just exercising or eating healthy, it's also very important to do some facial yoga exercises. Now this may sound very funny at the beginning, but trust me, they are natural and they work amazingly well. They're so effective, but you just have to be regular at these exercises. So I'm just going to show you 3 exercises which are very easy, and it will definitely reduce all your early wrinkles or lines that you're creating on your face. First one is to blow a kiss with a more exaggerated move where you must feel the stretch around the lips. The next is to be super surprised without wrinkling the eyebrows and stare at one point for 5 seconds continuously. And the last one is to just pout in an enhanced way, which is to simply make a fish face. Try these facial yoga exercises. They are very, very effective. They're definitely worth a try. Aging is inevitable and something that that's something that we just can't do anything about. But aging gracefully is definitely something that's in your hands. You can try to age more gracefully and look more elegant by just following these simple tips or hacks. Try them and let me know your thoughts in the comments section, and all the products used in this video will be mentioned in the description box below, so do check them out as well. I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.